today, more than it's been in 20 or 25 years, I think it's a very dynamic company. It's a company that the younger people would like to be a part of.
I'm just very, very fortunate to have come to Parkson in the time that I did.
I think Parkson is a very good place to work. It's a very family-friendly environment.
Basically, Parkson put food on my table when I was growing up, and the funny thing is now it's putting food on my family's table now, so Parkson has always been family to me.
My dad worked for the company for 17 years.
My dad has been here for almost 25 years, so I've known a lot of the people my whole life growing up, and they really are like a family to me.
There's a lot of family here.
The employees are very warm, they're very friendly, very family-oriented.
Just a great family.
Everybody is supportive, and there's a lot of diversity.
I'm from Venezuela, so here are people from Colombia, Cuba, and Mexico. That gives you a very good feeling that you cannot find in anywhere.
Parkson has a spirit of collaboration throughout the company at all levels.
I think one of the strong points of Parkson is the fact it's part of Axel Johnson. Its owner, Antonio Johnson, has been involved for over 40 years.
The Parkson name is known to be synonymous with quality.
The biggest reward of being in the environmental field is that you are not only working to pay the bills, as they say here, you're working for doing something good for everybody in the world.
We are all striving towards making sure that we are all one, making sure that we're giving back as an organization to our communities.
We sent out a project for the tsunami victims. I'm very proud of that.
Our board, with the leadership of Antonio Johnson, raised the funds to fund a wastewater plant in Thailand, which is still operating. And some of our people actually contributed their own time to go and build that plant up.
I had 3 weeks of vacation time in 2005, and there was no other way that I could better use it. It was the most moving experience of my life.
We do make a difference, not so much as employees and helping one another here, but the idea that we're making a difference in the world.
The opportunity to process the world's water for drinking, recycling, reclaiming, in applications from industry to municipalities and across a broad range of processes. It's a challenge with many faces. A challenge Parkson has met 25,000 times. Since 1960, Parkson has been working together with our partners to make a difference by significantly improving water use and conservation around the world. Our success has continued to lead to significant growth. As an Axel Johnson Incorporated company, Parkson embraces and embodies the Axel Johnson philosophies of customer focus, freedom to grow, trust and partnering, and long-term commitment. Today, a global scale and more than 25,000 installations worldwide make Parkson the leader in creating solutions to the challenge of processing the world's water. The global demand for water continues to grow, and Parkson will continue to grow to meet it.
We're expanding into the Middle East, and that's part of the globalization of Parkson. I think that's a great move. I believe the next stage is going to be the exciting stage where we see the Dubai office open.
The growth is going to come from trying to get the best as we can out of our products and value engineering it to such that we are competitive on the marketplace.
I see this company doubling and tripling in size in the next 5 years.
I think that Parkson is in a very good position to grow.
It's exciting to hear about moving into places like Dubai and different countries.
I'm excited. I think it's going to be a great move for Parkson. I think it's going to be a major office for us in the next 5 years.
In 40 years, this is one of the most exciting times. I'm just, every day I go home smiling, and you get a sense of pride and a sense of accomplishment. No matter what your function is within the company, we're all participating to do that. And you get a good feeling when you go home.
I look forward to the future. I'm excited about the future at Parkson.
Our goal, to create solutions and opportunities for our customers, our society, and our employees. to process the world's water. It's a challenge like no other, and an opportunity for Parkson to flourish.
Together,
We can.
We can make a difference.
By continuing to be that support that our customers need.
By just being able to go out and help people solve their water and wastewater problems in ways they may not have thought of.
Together we can make a difference by continuous value creation and innovation.
By taking all our technologies that we have and make it easily accessible and available throughout the world.
We can make a difference as a community, as a family, as an organization.
I am Parkson, and Parkson is me.